Hello everyone, this is Mubeen Tariq and welcome back to another interesting Adobe Photoshop color grading tutorial. So today I'm going to tell you that how you can edit this type of cinematic faded look photos in Adobe Photoshop. So today we will edit our this image. So let's start. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification button that you never miss any updates on my channel. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image on which you want to apply that cinematic faded look. First of all, select your background layer and then press Ctrl J to make a copy of this one, so you can simply work on this. And then I can hide this one so that I can see the before and after editing this image. Select this layer and then simply click here on the effects panel. Now select color lookup and click here and then select this one, or you can scroll to edit more. I think this one is good. Now I want to decrease its opacity to about 70 and its fill to about 60%. Yes. Now click here, then select curves. And let's move the curves a little bit. Now press Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a merged layer, and now press Ctrl Shift A to open camera, and now we will edit our this image in camera. First of all, go to the basic and decrease its exposure. I want to increase its exposure. Increase the contrast, decrease the highlights, increase shadows and whites, and also increase the blacks. Increase a little bit texture. Go to curves. Yes. Go to color mixer. Now decrease the value of oranges. Here, increase its saturation also. Go to luminance. Yes. Now go to color grading. This time add midtone. Now go to the calibration panel, increase the hue, decrease the hue. In red primary and in green primary, increase the value of hue. In blue primary, increase hue value. Now press OK. As you can see this that it has edited our this image. Now press Ctrl J to make a copy of this one layer and press Ctrl Shift A to open camera. Now go to the radial filter and make a radial effect here. Now press OK. It will apply a radial effect on this side. Now press Ctrl Shift Alt E to make a merge layer. and I wanna apply this preset on this image. If you want to download this preset, then check the link in the description of this video. I have provided the link of this preset in the description of this video. After applying the preset, decrease its opacity. It will add a dark look in our image. And now you can see this. This one is the before image and this one is our after image. After editing the effect. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification button that you never miss any updates on my channel. Goodbye.